In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and remove duplicate contacts in Constant Contact. Keeping a clean contact database is essential for accurate reporting, better deliverability, and a more professional experience for your audience. And today, I'll walk you through a clear, no stress process to tidy up duplicates so your lists stay organized and reliable. Start by logging in to your Constant Contact account. Once you're in, head straight to the Contacts section, usually found in the main navigation. This is your hub for all subscribers, tags, and lists. Take a moment to scan your contact lists and get a feel for how they're organized. Look at list names, subscriber counts, and any segments you've created. If you suspect overlap between lists, that can be a sign to check for duplicate entries. Next, it's time to locate duplicates. There are 3 practical ways to do this. The first is to use the built-in cleanup options available in many accounts. Look for tools labeled Clean Manage Duplicates or something similar inside contacts. These scan for repeated entries, typically by primary identifiers like email address, and surface candidates for you to review. If you prefer a hands-on approach, use the search bar. Type a name, a company, or an email fragment and sort by email address or name to quickly spot multiple entries for the same person. This is especially useful when duplicates have slightly different spellings or fields. For a thorough audit, consider exporting your contacts to a CSV file. Open it in your preferred spreadsheet tool, then sort by email address and use a duplicate highlighting or remove duplicates function. This makes it easy to compare records side by side and decide which one to keep. When you find duplicate entries, choose whether to remove or merge them. If your account provides a merge option, combine the records and keep the version with the most complete and up-to-date details, like the correct list memberships and recent engagement. If merging isn't available, delete the extras and retain the best record. A quick note on compliance: if a contact has an unsubscribed status in any duplicate record, preserve that status. Never replace an unsubscribed contact with a new one, as opt-outs must be respected. Finally, review your contacts again to confirm each person appears only once. Run a few targeted searches, sort by email to scan for repeats, or re-export and double-check the file if you want extra peace of mind. That's it. With a short, consistent cleanup routine, your Constant Contact lists will stay accurate, compliant, and ready for your next campaign.